Let's start with jog in place. Keep your back straight and pop your arms as if you're running forward. This move gets your heart rate up, boosts circulation, and warms your whole body. Stay light on your feet and keep breathing. You're waking up those muscles for the workout ahead. Next, arm circles. Extend your arms to the side and make small circles forward. Feel your shoulders loosen in your upper body warm up. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction. Keep your movement smooth. This preps your arms and shoulders for the straighten exercise later. Now, let's do leg swing. Hold onto a wall or chin for balance and swing one leg forward and backwards. Switch leg halfway through. This increases hip flexibility and warms up your glutes and thighs. Keep your posture tall and movement control. Time to boost your energy with jumping jacks. Jumping your feet out and raise your arms overhead. Then bring them back down together. This exercise raises your heart rate, improves coordination, and gets your body ready for action. Stay light, keep breathing, and enjoy the rhythm. Finish your warm up with bodyweight squats. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart, and lower your hips as if sitting on a chair. Push back up through your heels and engage your core. This straightens your legs and glutes while preparing your body for the workout ahead. You're all set. Let's move to the men's circuit. Push ups. Keep your body straight from head to heels and lower yourself slowly with control. Feel your chest, shoulders, and tricep working together. Stay strong. This move builds upper body strength and tones your arms. Now squat push. Throw your heels, chest up, and keep your knees behind your toes. You're straightening your legs and glutes while improving stability. Keep your core tight. Hold that plank. Keep your body in a straight line, abs tight, and breathe steadily. Don't let your hips drop. Feel your core muscles and activate. This move builds straighten, posture, and balance. Time for mountain climbers. Shove your knees forward quickly, keeping your body straight and steady. Move with energy and rhythm. This boosts endurance and burns calories fast. Finish strong with high knees. Run in place, lifting your knees high and pumping your arms. Stay light on your feet. This move boosts cardio, endurance, and builds explosive leg power. Begin your cool down with a quadricep stretch. Stand tall and gently pull one foot behind you, keeping your knees close together. Feel light stretch in front of your thigh, holding for 30 seconds on each leg. These help release tightness from squats and jumping moves while improving leg flexibility. Breathe slowly and let your muscles relax. Now open up your upper body with a chest and tricep stretch. Extend one arm across your chest and gently pull it in with your other hand. Feel the stretch in your shoulders and upper arm. Then switch sides halfway. This relieves tension from push-up and planks and improves postures. Keep your breathing slow and calm. Let's finish with that breathing and gentle relaxation. Stand tall or sit comfortably. Inhale deeply through your nose, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Do light neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, and arm shake to release any tension.